Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? Hope you all people are fine and doing well. Now let's start our maths task. Today we will do question number 9 of exercise 1C of unit number 1, the numbers and arithmetic operation. So open Oxford New Countdown for grade 4. Unit number 1, the numbers and arithmetic operation, exercise 1C on countdown page number 15. Now move to question number 9, which is divide the following then multiply to check. In this question first you will divide these values, then you will multiply them to check their answer. Now I will do part E and rest of the part you will do by yourself on your neat notebook. Now part D is, here you can see that dividend 3001 and divisor 81 are given and you have to divide them and then multiply them to check. This is part E. Now you people, now that we write dividend inside the rule, now we will write this dividend which is 3001 inside the root and divisor outside 81 which is 81, and here we will do rough work. Now we will take, here you can see that 81 is 2 digits value, so here we will take 2 digits value which is 30, and you can see that 30 is less than 81, so we will take another value and it will become 3 digits value. Now we have to read the table of 81 till it become closer or equal to 300, and you people did not know the table of 81, simply multiply them to get your answer. Now 81 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Now 162 is less than 300, but we did not know is it closer to 300 or it can be equal to 300. So we will multiply 81 with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. Now again we will multiply 81 with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. Now here you can see that 324 is greater than 300, and we have to take the value which is equal to or closer or nearer to 300. Here you can see that 343 is nearer to 300 because 162 is less and 324 is greater. We have to take the value not greater than 300 but nearer to 300, and which is 243. So we will write 81 threes are 243. इधर हमने वो वैल्यू लेनी है जो कि या तो 300 के इक्वल हो या 300 के करीब करीब की वैल्यू हमने लेनी है। और आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं 300 के इक्वल कोई भी हमारी वैल्यू नहीं आ रही, लेकिन 300 के नियरर जो हमारी वैल्यू बन रही है वो 243 बन रही है। नाउ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 243 फ्रॉम 300. आवर आंसर विल बी, वी विल टेक कैरी, दिस विल बिकम 9 एंड दिस विल बिकम 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and here you can see that 57 is less than 81, so we will drop the next value which is 1. Now this will become 571. Again we have to read the table of 81 till we get nearer or equal to 571. Now again, now here you can see that 324, we have to get value nearer to 571, so we will multiply 81 with 6. 6 ones are 6. Now so it's 48, 648, which is less than. Now we will take 81 multiplied by 7. 7 ones are 7. 8 sevens are 56. Now multiply 81 with 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. Now here you can see that 648 is greater than 571, where the value which is nearer to 571 is 567. So we will take 87. 81 sevens are 567. When we will subtract 567 from 571, our answer will be 4, which is our remainder. Now in next step we have to check whether our answer is correct or not correct. First we will multiply divisor and dividend. Now here first we will multiply divisor and quotient. Now here you can see that quotient is 37 and divisor is 81. So what we will do, we will multiply 37 with 81. Now here we will multiply 81 with 37. 1 sevens are 7, 7 eights are 56. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. Add them. 7, 9, 9 and 2. Now our answer is 2997. Now we will add remainder, which is 4. Now we will add this remainder, which is 4, in this value, in this result. Now add 4 in 2997. Our answer will be 4 plus 7 11, 1 will carry here, 9 plus 1 10, 1 will carry here, 9 plus 1 10 and 1 will carry here, and this is 3. Here you can see that 3001 is equal to the dividend. So when the value is equal to the dividend, it means your answer is correct. In this way you have to solve rest of the parts on your NEET notebook.